Hi guys, this is Shraddha and my project is on feminism. So through this project I wanted to explore ideas of what the term really means to people. I also wanted to create awareness through this project because there are a lot of people who really don't know about the term and have a huge misconception about it. So watch out.
Feminism is actually an old concept. It was a movement started in the 1960s as a part of a movement where women felt they were suppressed. Essentially, it started in the US.
I think, well, it needs to be equal in terms of being human rather than anything in terms of gender, because what happens is, what I've noticed is that people don't even see women as human beings. They'll just desensitize it on the basis of gender.
Basically the women's right होते हैं. I don't know what feminism means, but I have been aware of that. Really promote that thing, promotes it.
Basically, I don't have any idea about what feminism is, but it's just that what I have heard till now, that it's basically about equality.
यार ऐसी चीजें मत पूछो यार, मैं एक्चुअली नहीं बताना चाहती.
Feminism is equal rights.
Feminism to me is different than what feminism actually is. It started out as a movement actually, and because women, as we know today, that was not the case earlier, and women actually had to fight for their basic rights to even have a chance at being an equal human being.
Both the genders should be equal. The word is feminism, so people like everything is like women empowerment. That's not women empowerment should be there, but it should be like the empowerment of both the genders equally. So that's
According to me, feminism is a very sensitive issue which has not been touched upon very appropriately and it has been a misconception in the minds of many people.
मुझे पर्सनली लगता है कि पितृसत्ता which is patriarchy and feminism which is मातृसत्ता होनी नहीं चाहिए. I believe कि there should be an equality in the whole society.
I'm not sure whether it's about the country or it's about the world, because see, the country we are still in the dark ages as far as a lot of things are concerned. Yeah, okay. There are very, very few of us who are in this urban society where we have the wherewithal or the facilities to do so many things which a lot of other people can't do.
That depends on whether you are able to inculcate the essence of the word feminism and not feminism as just something that's trending on social media. That will make the difference. That if people are actually able to understand that, and I include men and women both, because anything, nothing should be misused.
I think feminism is making the country a better place. There have been improvements, but I feel that people need to understand that they cannot misuse these rights.
I think it will make the world better. It's not just our country. Definitely our country requires it because since a very long time we have not been doing anything regarding women. Like, I'm not saying we are not doing anything regarding it, but it's just not enough because everything is so deep down in the mentality of people that it just cannot be eroded, in the sense that you cannot erode the fact that the society is patriarchal. You cannot erode it even from the minds of people that women can do what they want to do. They are human beings. You shouldn't have any boundaries on them as well.
All across the country, government has made so much changes in the for women, for the safety of women. I personally believe उन्होंने उसे बहुत ज़्यादा they're taking an undue advantage of it. I travel a lot in metro and a lot of public transportations, and I see that they're taking a very undue advantage of it.
It's okay for somebody to not do something because they don't want to do it. But to not be able to do something just because of your gender, whether male or female, I think that is what is not correct. And that is why we need feminism, and basically to have equal opportunities. Women need to have the right to their own bodies, that what they do with it, whether it's childbirth, marriage, equal rights, driving. There is such an uproar in driving rights in the Middle East. It's such a basic thing which is so misused. With respect to who they are, and it's their right, whatever they want to do.
It would be important to have a certain right for a woman, or the woman should have a certain right to speak her mind, or to work in a certain society, or to work in a certain even professional zone. I think that is important. That is what the country needs. It's not about again being this militant person ki jantar mantar mein hangama ho gaya, ढिंडोरा पीट रहे. That's not what we are looking at. We should not even be thinking about that. We should be looking at a more holistic view of what the woman, the Indian woman, stands for in society today.
I have an incident to share. This guy was in metro. He was standing at the just at the end of the women compartment, and somehow he had stepped into the women compartment by mistake with no bad intentions. He got beaten up by 15 women. I mean, just because they have rights, and also I'm not saying this because I'm a man. I feel that they have taken they've taken an undue advantage of it.
So now we have to look upon the institutionalized discrimination that has been happening since the right beginning, since the time that we had no rights to vote, since 1913 when women had got the right to vote in all the elections, not in India though. And so we need to understand that even when people wanted to legalize abortion, or all of these things were running, our opinions were not really of great concern to everybody. We need to realize that women need to be treated equally to what men are. But in that aspect, we cannot forget that we cannot be sexist. We cannot go over the top being anti-male and getting the rights of men and getting it into our category. That's not what feminism is.
The lack of feminism is evident where a woman is not able to do something just because she's a woman. And I think that's what needs to change, and that's why we need feminism in today's society.
But on the other hand, if you look at some parts of rural India, the women are probably more feminist than the men because they're doing all the work. It's just that they're not given that label. They're chopping the wood, they're collecting the firewood, they're taking bales of hay, they're cooking, they're taking their children to school, and doing work in the fields and the work in the house, and the husbands are doing very little, or the men are doing very little. They're probably drinking and sleeping under the tree very often, and that's not what we are looking at.
No, why? Well, as of now, a lot of my male friends would complain that women get unfair rights, but considering the you fight for it, right? So if there is something unfair that's going on, then even for the men, they need to raise their voice against it. I am not supportive of gender stereotyping with respect to both the genders, male and female. I am not comfortable with gender stereotyping for men as well. I don't think that's fair. But then they need to do something about that. And women themselves need to, understand that it's not a single focus point. You need to see what other aspects of your environment are affecting. And yeah, I have noticed that a lot of people are just staunch feminists because it's the cool thing to do. But no, really, you really need to understand what it is and what you're fighting for.
I think the term works. The only issue is when people end up thinking it's regarding females or it's just female centric, because even one of our class teachers actually, he went on like saying that feminism means femininity. I was really shocked that something happened in a design college and he's a professor, and I really liked that idea. Then you think about it and you know that there are people who are actually doing that. People who actually think feminism means femininity. So you just are like, what? You don't have to take everything literally, okay? There are meanings behind words. You have to understand that.
See, to a layman who does not really understand, if I would not know what feminism exactly is, it would be very difficult for me to understand, because it's been actually taken, like my friend said it earlier, it's been taken very literally how feminism is perceived by people generally. They don't think of it as a thing that is, it should have a more equalitarian view, a word which is more, gives out more equality to you. A feeling, a sound of equality. Nothing like calling yourself a feminist. I believe that there should be some different word.
Feminism to me is, I think, an attitude. It's a way of a woman looking at life.